Welcome to Computer Science Fundamentals. Whether you're a complete beginner, an IT professional looking to strengthen your foundations, or a student preparing for certifications, university studies, or a technology career, you're in the right place. Computer science is one of the most important disciplines of the modern world. Every website you visit, every app on your phone, every cloud service, every cybersecurity tool, every artificial intelligence system, and every digital experience is built on concepts that originated in computer science. Throughout this course, we're going to explore the ideas that make modern technology possible. We'll begin with the fundamental theories of computing and learn how computers process information. From there, we'll dive into software and programming, using Python to develop practical problem-solving skills. You'll learn how algorithms work, how data is organized and stored, and why efficient design matters. We'll also explore databases and learn how organizations manage and retrieve massive amounts of information. We'll examine computer networking and discover how devices communicate across the Internet and around the world. You'll gain an understanding of operating systems and learn how they manage hardware, memory, processes, and applications. As the course progresses, we'll explore cybersecurity, one of the fastest-growing fields in technology, and examine how systems are protected against modern threats. Next, we'll explore two of the most important foundations of computer science: networking and operating systems. First, we'll examine how devices communicate with one another. You'll learn how information travels across local networks and the Internet, and discover the protocols, routing, and network architecture that keep billions of devices connected every day. Then we'll dive into operating systems, the software that sits between your hardware and your applications. You'll see how operating systems manage memory, schedule processes, control hardware resources, and provide the environment that allows every program on your computer to run efficiently. Finally, we'll introduce cybersecurity. As our dependence on technology continues to grow, understanding how systems are attacked has become just as important as knowing how they work. Throughout this course, you'll build the knowledge needed to recognize common threats and understand the principles behind defending modern computer systems. As we conclude the course, we'll look at one of the most exciting areas in computer science: machine learning. You'll gain a solid understanding of the core concepts behind systems that can learn from data, recognize patterns, and make intelligent predictions. No advanced mathematics is required. We'll focus on building intuition before diving deeper. We'll also explore how the concepts you've learned throughout this course are used to solve real-world problems. From healthcare and finance to cybersecurity, transportation, and entertainment, computer science powers the technologies we rely on every day. Finally, we'll discuss the many career opportunities available in computing. Whether your goal is software development, cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, networking, or IT, this course will provide a strong foundation for your next step. But before we begin, let me tell you a little about why I'm teaching this course. I am Glenn. My background combines formal education, industry certifications, and real-world technology experience. I've worked in technical support, systems administration, identity and access management, and IT operations across multiple organizations. I've supported enterprise environments, resolved complex technical issues, and helped secure systems used by thousands of users. Academically, I've completed studies in information and communication technologies, network engineering and security, cybersecurity, and technology management. I've also earned industry certifications covering networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, project management, IT service management, and Microsoft technologies. What makes computer science exciting to me is that it connects everything in technology. Whether you're interested in software development, cloud computing, networking, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data science, or systems administration, computer science provides the foundation that makes those specialties possible. This course isn't about memorizing definitions. It's about understanding how technology works beneath the surface. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to think like a computer scientist, breaking complex problems into smaller parts, designing logical solutions, understanding how systems interact, and appreciating the principles that drive modern computing. Most importantly, you'll develop a framework for continuous learning. Technology changes constantly, but the core concepts of computer science remain remarkably consistent. Once you understand those concepts, learning new tools, programming languages, and technologies becomes much easier. So whether your goal is to launch a career in technology, strengthen your technical knowledge, prepare for future studies, or simply understand the digital world around you, I'm excited to have you here. Let's begin our journey into computer science and discover how the technologies shaping our future actually work. Welcome to the course.